Stop buying new brushes and clean those old makeup brushes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you're a single mom balancing a busy life, a college girl on a budget, or just someone who's new to makeup, or maybe you've just splurged on new brushes so you don't have to clean them, I'm here for you today. We all know how tough it can be to find time to clean our makeup brushes, but it's so important for keeping our skin healthy and our makeup flawless. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clean your brushes, no matter how hectic your schedule is. Excuse my nails, y'all, I need a manicure. So today we'll be cleaning our brushes using the pear soap, and trust me, this is the go-to. I know many choose to use Dawn or other cleaning agents, but I prefer the pear soap because it's something my skin is used to and that's something I'm comfortable with. You want to make sure you have one of these little scrubs. If you don't, then you can purchase this off Amazon, but I had this for years, like so long I can't even remember. And always remember, when you're cleaning your brushes, you don't want to submerge them in water, so you would set them aside. You could rest them in a big bowl, but as for me, I am just going to take everything out and just rest them on the side of the counter and get ready to start washing. I know some persons are like, they don't like to wash their brushes, or they don't have time to wash their brushes, so they go and they buy new brushes. Baby, we doing everything. In every video, I remind you that we are doing everything with a purpose and we are saving, because we're not gonna splurge like that. We're gonna clean these makeup brushes. So now I'm using my little bowl from my makeup cleaner. This one goes with battery, but I don't like it because it just spins. It doesn't give it a good scrub. And I'm gonna use the jar from it to put some water in and some 99% alcohol, and I'm going to use this to sanitize my brushes after I'm done cleaning them. You also want to make sure you have a towel to lay your brushes on after you then clean and rinse them to catch the water. A nice clean towel. Watch how this pear soap is going to clean these brushes. Like 90% of the brushes were clean just by rubbing the soap, and the other 10% was clean by scrubbing it. So let's talk about it. Do you buy new brushes so you don't have to clean your old brushes? Or how often do you clean your old brushes? Leave me in the comment section because I really want to hear about it. So while we're talking, let's talk about why cleaning your makeup brushes is so important. I know it can feel like just one more thing to add to your to-do list, especially when life is busy, but trust me, it's worth it. Dirty brushes can collect bacteria, oil, and old makeup, which you're then spreading all over your face. This can lead to breakout, clogged pores, and skin irritation, none of which we want, right? Plus, when you're using clean brushes, your makeup goes on so much smoother. You get a flawless finish, which means your makeup is going to be on point. Not to mention, clean brushes last longer. That means you're not constantly replacing them, which saves you money in the long run. So, taking a little time to clean your brushes on a regular basis isn't just about hygiene. It's about keeping your skin healthy, making your makeup look better, and getting the most out of your brushes. It's a small step that really makes a big difference. You'll know when it's time to replace your makeup brushes when you start noticing some key signs. If your brushes are shedding bristles like crazy, it's a sure sign they're on their last legs. Another big indicator is when the bristles start to fray or lose their shape, making it hard to get that smooth, even application. You might also notice your brushes feeling rough or scratchy on your skin, which is a far cry from soft, smooth application they once gave you. And if you're finding it impossible to get rid of product buildup even after a good cleaning, it's probably time to retire those brushes. All of these are signs mean your brushes aren't performing as well as they should, and replacing them will make your makeup routine much more effective and enjoyable. And when cleaning your makeup brushes, you want to clean them until your soap lather is white instead of brown. Big brushes, you could clean one at a time. Some people clean 2, 3 at a time, but when it comes to my eyeshadow brushes, I clean those like 5, 6 at a time because they are very small. But with my big brushes, I take my time and I clean them thoroughly. While I go ahead and finish up the rest of these brushes, I would leave you to watch the rest of the video. If you have any questions or any comments, you could just drop them in the comment section below.
should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist different prior. I try to be all your
self-control is everything. There's a ring with a ride. Where I'm from, they serve it so the clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the vibes. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beat? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't compete. I see it back in the church. Remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip. When you got back on the shit, I had to tell you go get it. I'm always moving too fast. The feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good. These guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us. You can get none, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll you play. You playing with my You playing with my You playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit, all you do. Couldn't help thinking of all that you put me through. More than your behavior. But if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna say, then you playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, wah, wah, you playing with me, oh boy.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the these niggas, no. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and I'm proud of it. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't lose a side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gon' do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a best with her, take her back to the miles off. Got a 5 in up on it, wild. And then they been begging for shit, style, keep my hoes divided. Cause so when she ride it, this nigga's all years old. Shot it on the drive, it look like a demo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go, go. Got that ass to the floor.
If you come across this video, then this is the sign for you to go and wash those brushes. Everything is clean and ready for the next content day. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and see you guys in another video.